The Philadelphia Gift Show has served the Mid-Atlantic and Tri-State region of the Northeast for over 20 years. It's a family atmosphere for both exhibitors and buyers, and they enjoy the reunion every January and July.
I've been here since the inception. I believe it's now 20 years, so 40 shows, glad to say. And what I like about the show is the small venue that offers our independent retailers an opportunity to see a really great variety and selection of products that kind of makes us unique.
Buyers come from all over the Mid-Atlantic and Tri-State region. You're going to see both smaller retailers as well as bigger retailers. You're going to see all the local attractions, lodges, hospital gift shops, as well as the big box stores.
Our customers come from as far south as Virginia to upstate New York, and of course all the Mid-Atlantic states, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, and Maryland. It's a pretty wide-ranging base for this show.
The Philadelphia Gift Show has launched a great new initiative called Artisan Alley. Artisan Alley provides artists with an affordable option to display their handmade goods and be a part of the Philadelphia Gift Show.
Philadelphia Gift Show is like a mini world exhibit. There's something for everybody here. So you can exhibit candles and you're going to find those buyers. You can exhibit candy and you're going to find the buyers. You can do what we do, which is sell clothing and accessories, and you're going to find the buyers. There's something for everybody at the Philadelphia Gift Show.
If you want to be in the #1 regional show in the country, this is the spot, because we cater from a vast area in our demographic, so to speak.
Ease of getting in and out is tremendous. The staff is wonderful with accommodating us. The facility is nicely taken care of. It's a great place to exhibit.
Great bang for your buck.